Sa latest statistics sa Department of Health karong tuiga, nigawas nga ang Central Visayas ang ikaduha sa kinadaghanang kaso sa human immunodeficiency virus kun HIV sa tibuok Pilipinas. Si Daryl Anunciado sa report.
Our update is as of March 2014, where I'm talking about the national data first. So in March 2014 alone, there were 498 new HIV cases. So we're talking about new HIV cases. And from January to March of 2014, for the national picture, we have already 1,432 new cases. And cumulatively, we already have 17,948 cases in the entire Philippines. And for March alone, for our new cases, which is 498, 70% of which comes from Central Visayas.
The thing is that we always think of people are uneducated. It's not really true, no? A lot of people are aware of the possibility of transmitting the infection, but it does not become a behavior. Meaning, even if they know this, sometimes, especially young, they think that they are invincible, they will not get infection. So I think it's really important that we will have to intensify our campaign for more of behavioral change rather than just knowledge. So what is happening is just knowledge. Everyone knows it can be transmitted, but people seem to be not aware that anyone can get infected.